Codeutainment is a revolutionary concept in how learning could happen in the form of entertainment.
This is the first of its kind concept ever attended anywhere in the world.
Leave your computer and tablet behind. Just go to the movie hall. Grab your popcorn and drink. Sit down, relax, learn, and enjoy.
We've combined our unique teaching style with knowledge we've learned over the years by attending talks and conferences, and culminating all of that into this series.
Come, join us and be part of this revolutionary concept. Together, let's make history. More questions? Write to us at codeutainment@gmail.com.